Hello children, welcome to my channel. Today food name in English. Okay children, first of all this is black color. First rice. R I C E rice. This is sky blue color. Second one bread. B R E A D bread. Next one is red color. Chicken. C H I C K E N chicken. This is purple color. Pizza. P I Z Z A pizza. This is orange color. Dairy. D A I R Y dairy. This is brown color. Sandwich. S A N D W I C H sandwich. This is blue color. Pasta. P A S T A pasta. This is green color. Salad. S A L A D salad. This is black color. Eggs. E G G S eggs. This is green color. Butter. B U T T E R butter. Okay children, food's name in English.